Good morning guys, Steve here, Putsy Boy Travels, and back in Hua Hin, and today I've decided to take a little trip out to U Waterfall. I'm going to show you the entrance area and then down towards the waterfall, and we're going to walk up to probably level 5 I think. There are 9 levels of the waterfall. It is one of the highest waterfalls in Thailand. Let's get on our way and you can join me and see what there is to see. By the way, we are going to be introducing this as a little mini tour via Hua Hin Divers. So anybody interested is more than welcome to contact me. Not sure about the price yet. It's probably going to be about 1,800 baht. So it'll include the national park fee, lunch, transport, guide, the whole thing. All right, let's get on our way. And there's a place you can buy some fish food to take in to feed the fish at the waterfall. And there's a few catfish. More than a few to be fair. And this is the fish food that we bought down there at the kiosk, so let's feed the fish. They look quite hungry today. So as you can see, lots and lots of catfish, and they are very hungry. They look a bit like catfish, but they're not. I'll put what they actually are on the screen in a second. So the early part of the waterfall, the trek is fairly easy, fairly well marked, but I'm sure it's going to get a little bit more difficult later on as we get to the higher levels. We're still heading towards level 2, as you can see. Let's see what the water's like at level 2. It's important guys to remember when you're coming over here that you need to wear good shoes. So a pair of trainers or a pair of walking shoes or something like that are fine. Please don't turn up here in flip-flops. You will have problems, I guarantee it. So shoes, trainers, something like that are the best way. Okay, onwards and upwards. And of course you're going to get fish at every single level on the waterfall, and they're always very hungry. There you go guys, that's level 2, and onwards now to level 3. The good thing is guys that we have these ropes here to hang on to as you're walking up, just to make sure you can maintain your footing. They go all the way up the footpaths, and we're heading up to level 3, as I said. And this is level 3, 2.5 meters deep. So anybody who's got a swimsuit can go for a jump in the water here. I'm going to avoid that for now, maybe later. So there you go, a confirmation. It's a member of the carp family. So this is just one of the big trees that you're going to see in the national park. They are pretty huge, hundreds of years old, and as you can see, super high. Must be 50 meters more up there. Onwards to level 4. Just to say, guys, I know you're watching me on the video doing this, but you need to be here and see it yourself. It's amazing. Tons and tons of bamboo everywhere. Really dense jungle. Amazing waterfalls, really amazing. And you really need to experience this for yourselves. Go ahead, book the tour. We're available online or via Facebook or Line or Messenger or whatever. Links will be in the description, and also at some point in this video I'll put some links as well. Anyway, onwards to level 4. As you can see, guys, it's still a footpath. Slightly challenging, but still a footpath. Well, we've arrived at level 4. So this is a nice area. It's around 2.5 meters depth again. It's quite loud because the waterfall over there is quite high. A good drop, probably about 8 meters or so, I guess. But again, lots of fish. No mosquitoes though, surprisingly. Not seen a mosquito yet. Lots of butterflies. Anyway, onward to level 5. It's super cool up here. It's really, really nice. Oh, you need to come and do this, guys. You need to really come and do this. Well worth it. Really well worth the trip. It's only an hour from Hua Hin. It's amazing. And it's so quiet. There's very few people, well, virtually no one here. Now, I don't know if you can see that, but that's leading to level 5. So we got to go through this section here, through here, along here. Make sure you watch your step as you're going through, guys. And you've got to climb over that rock and up there. Okay, guys, well, this is almost level 5. Level 5 is just there that you can see, but it's quite challenging to go up there. You can still walk over here on these rocks and get up there. I think that's not too bad. After that, I'm not sure about, but I've had a good half hour's walk or so, 40 minutes to get up here. A little bit of climbing, well, not climbing, but sort of holding on a little bit. Oh well, that was good. I'm going to make my way down now, back to the little cafe and have a pot noodle and have a little chat about this mini tour. All right, see you down the coffee shop. So here we are, guys, back at the coffee shop where you can grab a coffee, water or something like that, or maybe a pot noodle when you've finished your walk. Overlooking the waterfall there. Really nice view. So what do I think in summary? It's a good walk. It's quite a challenging walk in some areas, but the first 4 levels are quite doable. After that, you might struggle a little bit. If you're quite fit and healthy, you'll be okay, I think. It's well worth doing the tour. Unfortunately, no food's allowed in the national park beyond a certain point, but you can bring some snacks or something and eat here at the coffee shop, either before you go or after you come back. That's my day at U Waterfall. Remember, links in description of how to book. Hope to see you here in Hua Hin at U Waterfall. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Maybe make a comment as well if you'd like to. And see you next time. Bye.